In this video, I want to show you how to access the map settings on the Garmin Monterra. To get to this menu, you're going to start with the 3-bar menu in the lower right-hand corner, and then select System Settings from the very bottom. Underneath the Garmin heading, you're going to select the first one, which is Map. First one in the list is Orientation. You can have orientation set to north up, which means that on your map screen, north is always going to be facing up. Track up means whichever direction you're traveling is going to be up. And then you have automotive mode, which is closer to track up, but it's sort of a 3D view looking down on the map. Next one on the list is guidance text. You can have that set to never, when navigating, or always. Third item down is dashboard. This is currently set to newbie, but this is going to change the information that is displayed on your mapping screen. So if I want the compass displayed, I can go to compass, and then I'll go all the way back to the main menu and select map. And now I have the compass displayed on my screen, so I can choose anything from that list. Next one down is layers. And you have terrain, custom maps, POIs, track logs, waypoints, or custom POIs. A lot of this is going to depend on what you personally load up onto your Monterra, but if your map screen is starting to get a bit too cluttered, you can go to this screen and enable or disable some of the things that you have displaying. Below that, you have auto zoom, which you can turn on or off, and underneath that, you have zoom buttons, which if it's turned on, that means it's going to give you the plus and minus zoom buttons on the map. If it's turned off, then you can only zoom in and out by pinching to zoom. Next is detail, which is currently set to normal. You can have that set to anywhere between most and least. And below that is your vehicle. Right now set to 3D arrow, but you can scroll through this menu just like on a Nuvi, and you can pick out a different vehicle from here if you want to. At the very bottom of this list is map information, and this is good to know where it is if you're ever installing additional maps onto your GPS. So right now you can see the first one in the list is City Navigator North America. That's something that I have installed onto this Monterra. It doesn't come with that, but if I'm not sure if the Monterra is reading the maps, I can go to this screen. It'll tell me that the map is being read, and it'll also tell me that it's turned on. So that's a quick look at the map settings on the Garmin Monterra.